Hey there everyone, this is Neha Bhatia. Welcome to Align and Attract. And today I'll be sharing with you how you can attract money in next 7 days by applying this very simple method and a technique. So just a couple of rules that you need to have here before we start with this process. Number one, see if you can find an open place to sit, wherein it's a little bit windy, maybe on your rooftop or in an open place. You can find it for yourself in the park, and then do this process. Number one. Number two, that how much money you want. Be very clear. Don't have a lot of thought in your mind about money, but just a little bit of money, whatever comes to your mind. And last is that what you're going to do with this money for yourself and also for other people. If you're very clear of that, then this particular method is going to do wonders for you. But you have to do it regularly for 7 days. So if you're ready for it, let's get started. All you have to do is you have to just sit comfortably, and you have to just keep your spine absolutely straight. You have to sit in an open place and just follow the instructions. Now, because I'm sitting outside and I'm doing this process, you might hear some sound that will just be there to make you be in the present moment. So please make sure that you're following the process completely for next 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So let's do it. Sit comfortably and easily. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a long, deep breath in and out completely. There will be thoughts, there will be feelings. Let them come and go. You be aligned and connected with your breath. Take another long, deep breath in. And with a gentle smile on your face, breathe out. Lovely. Just be aware of the inhalation and the exhalation of the breath. Beautiful, lovely. Now taking a moment with yourself, start to feel the wind right on your face, on your body. If you're not sitting in a place where it is a little windy, it's okay. Just start to feel the air. How does it feel when it is windy, when there is a lot of air around? Feel that air just touching your skin, your face, your lips. Now also, along with the air, along with the wind, feel that the money is flowing towards you with the same speed. Along with the wind, you can feel and you can see the money coming towards you. Rupees or dollars, whatever you want to see it and feel it, keeping your eyes closed. In your imagination, see it, feel the touch. Beautiful. Feel the touch. Feel it, feel the presence of that money energy. Imagine that you're sitting in a big circle, and this Money is being collected on your lap. Start to see it, feel it around your body. 1 feet. The speed has increased. Feel it even more stronger. Now wherever you're sitting, the money is coming from the front through the wind. Now I would like you to start to feel that there is a fountain right above your head, 15 to 20 feet above your head. And the moment that fountain is switched on, money starts to flow in from there. Start to feel it. Now let me increase the speed of the fountain. It's a money fountain. Feel it. Feel the presence of the money energy. Feel the smell of the money, of the notes flowing on you. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Beautiful. Feel it. Feel that around you there is a collection of money of at least 2 to 3 feet. It's still flowing. It's flowing faster now. The wind speed is increasing, and so is the money speed. Feel it, see it, enjoy it. And the speed of the fountain is also increasing. And it's going from 3 feet to 4 feet. It's coming almost till your chest. You're filled up with money till your chest. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Just feel it wherever you are. Beautiful. Feel it. Feel the touch. Feel the smell. Feel this presence of money energy. How does it feel? How does it feel to be in abundance? Now one last time, let's increase the speed of the money and of the fountain. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, the speed is increasing. Let it come all around you. Feel the energy. You're attracting this energy of money that will help you grow, that will help you sustain, that will help you help other people. Feel it. Beautiful. Lovely. Keeping your eyes closed, just feel that you're filled with money and its energy all around you in that big circle. Either you're sitting or standing. And you're filled with that money, lots of wealth, till your shoulders. Now, for next few minutes, keep that money stable. Feel that it's stationary now. It's there. It's with you. You are surrounded by the energy of money. Now, once you're feeling that, know what you're going to do with this money. How is it going to help you in your work, in your career? Use it. Start to see, visualize how you're using this money. Are you investing in some program for yourself or for your career? Are you using for your health? Start to see how you're going to benefit someone else with this money. How you're donating this money. Are you donating this money to someone to help someone? See the bigger cause. keeping a gentle smile on your face with another breath in and breathe out. Lovely. What else would you like to do in next 2 to 3 months with this money? The entire year, how would you like to manage this money? How are you going to use it? Paying your debt, how are you going to use it? Paying your expenses, how are you going to manage it? How are you going to respect it? See it long term, 5 years. How has this money benefited you and other people? How have you used it constructively? And the more you're using it, the more the speed of the money is becoming faster. Beautiful, lovely. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Feel it. Feel the energy around you. And affirm. My future is secured. My future is bright. I am becoming financially stable. My future is secured. My future is bright. I am becoming financially stable. Continue to repeat this. My future is secure. My future is bright. I am becoming financially stable. I am becoming capable of becoming financially stable. I am becoming capable of becoming financially stable. My future is bright. My future is secure. I am becoming financially stable. Beautiful. Just be with this feeling. And sit in silence for next 1 or 2 minutes. Taking a moment with yourself. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale the energy of money. And exhale gratitude. Taking your own time, whenever you feel like, with a big smile on your face, with this feeling of abundance, open your eyes. Alright, so how was it? If you like it, please do share it in the comment box. And it's a 7-day challenge. If you would be interested in joining us for the money mapping workshop, this is just one process that we teach in money mapping. There are many processes like this, and people have manifested a lot of money, but it's not just about manifesting it, it's about maintaining it and multiplying it and using it for a bigger cause and for a bigger purpose. So if you would be interested into that, I'll be sharing the link in the description box. Please do get in touch with us, and wish you all the best for this abundance of money energy coming towards you. Thank you. Bye.